What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to make a quick update, at least on how I'm currently playing this right now. We know options expire today, so I figured there'd be some trickery involved. Now, I have two accounts that pretty much mirror each other. This one is the lesser of the two. And in total, all I'm playing this with is 30 shares, so not much by any means at all. But again, this is just kind of fun on the side. I wish I had the stones to just YOLO this thing and ride it to 1,000, but I don't want my trading account to disappear. But that being said, those of you that are doing this, if you want to be a martyr for the cause, you want to be the social justice warrior, that's not sarcasm. I appreciate you. Hopefully this has gained enough traction to turn some heads. We know the excuses will probably come out from the hedge fund guys. Well, at least I've seen that game time and time again. Hopefully this one just got big enough. So as you can see this morning, as it pushed up, I put my stop in place. That tagged out. Bought some more, and it pushed up. It danced around, hit that stop. All I grabbed was 5 shares. On this count, 5 or 10 on the other one. The other one has 10 here, because this is 10 now. I don't feel like losing thousands of dollars when this thing gets chopped in half or goes back to 3. So, yeah, that's just my risk. So, bought it. As you just follow the red dots. This was first. Bought it. Stopped out. Bought it again. And we're up. That's my current stop right now. I saw we had like a support right there. So, if we're looking at the charts right now. I already figured out my entry. 318. I'm gonna leave it there for now. We'll YOLO that part a little bit. What I don't want is just to wait to come down and grab it and then just jack with it. I don't want to be in and out this thing all day. If we're talking technical analysis, let's get down to your guys' time frame. We're going to talk about a support right here at 306. There's the resistance here at 361. Nothing but sellers at 395, 415-ish. So cracking above that is where you would probably see everyone start to pile on. That would be where the momentum traders would probably get in here. But if I'm watching this intraday and I'm watching it right now, I would keep an eye on this area right here. Getting above that would be great. And then getting below this, if there's no more buyers here, that's where we'll probably start taking leaps down. So I'd be careful with just that right there. And that's kind of how I would just play this today. What do you guys think? We still going to 1 million or 1,000? Speaking of which, I know it's in the comments. This is going to the moon. And luckily for you guys, it can, because the hedge funds probably aren't in this. It's just you guys. I don't know about the prices. I think if you look this up on someone just told me it's literally at 6 cents and it's not even touched that. I think the price on this might be off. But this, making higher lows. Higher lows, lower highs. If I'm trading this, I'd just keep an eye on that right now. I wouldn't actually put a lot of faith, a lot of conviction in these, to be honest, guys, because there's a lot of hype, and that hype, it will go as fast as it comes. AMC just tagged out. I didn't get back in that one this morning. I just bought the dip, tagged out. I pictured AMC being $20 by the end of the year. I'll buy AMC one more time if we get above that right there. Got to get above it first. Kind of already there. Like this trade right here. This one I don't mind. How many shares would that be? So we'll give it $2 per share. I don't know if I like this one, actually. Probably not going to take it. So that's my quick update on these. Let's do, is this one still a thing? No. No, that's just a pipe dream. What was the other one? Nokia 5G play. I actually like this one for those of you that are buying as a 5G play as soon as we leave above that zone. So I'll hop on board the whole 5G hype as soon as that alert tags. I'll end that here for you guys. I am going to go live later for the members, break down some tickers for them. It will be members only in the chat. You guys are welcome to join, where we break down some normal tickers and see where we're headed. I'll see you guys there.